guys, it's Hazeltail, and it's been a while. I have been just not that great, physically, mentally, all of the ways, but I'm hoping this will be a comeback. Today I'm doing a Dollar Tree haul, and I bought this stuff maybe a month or two ago, but I only have used one of the things so far. I'll start with the one I have used. It is an e.l.f. matte lip color in the shade Rich Red. This is what the box looks like, and it was weird. It wasn't sitting in this opening right here. It was sitting inside the box. But this is what I have on right now on my lips. It's a jumbo pencil, but on the slimmer side of jumbo pencil. And I really like the color. It's like a pinky red. And this does come off matte, but it doesn't feel that matte. It feels more like a cream lipstick. And I've had a few of these before, and they had a similar texture, but I didn't really care because they were light and neutral colors. So this one you probably have to pay more attention to throughout the day. Then I picked up this pink lip stain also from e.l.f. It's the Just Lip Stain, and it came in a white cardboard packaging with clear plastic over it, but I threw that away. The shade is Pink Petal, and I think I have one of their other, what's it called, lip stains. But it's a marker. I know these used to be popular, and I don't know if they're making a comeback, but it's a nice, warmish pink shade. Obviously, it's going to turn out differently on everyone's lips because not everyone has the same lip color, and your lips are rarely the same color as your skin on your hand. And I believe this was from their Essential line, so it was originally $2 and I got it for $1. In case I didn't mention, everything from the Dollar Tree is $1. It's a dollar store where things are actually $1. Then I got another lip product from e.l.f. They had a lot that day. It's one of their Velvet Matte lipsticks, and I think the shade is Flirty Flamingo. It's a reddish color. Honestly, I was expecting it to be more pink based on the indicator, but it's still a pretty color. It's reddish coral. Yeah, definitely more coral than the first lipstick, or the lip color, and it feels actually a little bit more hydrating than that one. I've never used the Velvet Matte lipsticks before. They actually both have a little bit of sheen, both the matte colors, so that's interesting. And here's just a quick look at what the box looks like. Unlike the matte lip color, the matte lipstick was actually sitting out where you can see it. And they also had a lot of eyelashes the day I was there, so I picked up 4 different brands. They only had one style from each brand. First is this e.l.f. one. It is the Dramatic Lash Kit, and it comes with its own glue, it says, but I'm probably not going to use that. I like the Kiss Clear Strip Lash Adhesive, and I'm also trying out the Duo Lash Adhesive with vitamins. These are just a really full, dramatic lash, not super full, but long. And you probably have to be careful when you place these because they do have a black lash band. Then I got some from Sassy and Chic, which is a brand I've really only seen at Dollar Tree. Again, these are long lashes, not as long as the e.l.f. ones. And they have a black lash band. And again, glue is included. But these only half the lashes are long and the other half are shorter, so it looks a little bit more natural. And with this one and the e.l.f. one that I just showed you, the lashes are actually longer in the center and not on the outer edge, so it kind of makes your eye look bigger. Then I got this pair of lashes from Diamond Cosmetics. They're called Diva. They're about as long as the e.l.f. ones, but again, not all the lashes are the same length. And this does have a black lash band, and it comes with its own glue. This last set of lashes is a little bit different than the other ones. It's from Wet n Wild, and they are called Shutter Shock. They do come with their own glue. These ones are actually flared out at the outer edge, so they would look good with cat eye winged liner like I have on right now, or just to make your eyes look more uplifted. And again, these have a black lash band. I picked up a couple eyeshadow palettes from LA Colors. I'll start with the bigger one, which is this Smokey palette. Most of the colors are shimmery, but there are a few mattes in here. This brown right here is a matte, and so is this blue. Those are really nice and pigmented, especially the brown. I'll swatch this bronze color up in the corner. Ooh, that is nice and metallic. I like that. I haven't had a chance to use this palette yet, but let me know if you want to see a tutorial with it. Then I picked up one of their 3-color eyeshadow palettes. It's in the shade Orchid. It's got, if I can get it open, it's got some pink to it and also some bronzy colors. It took me a minute to open that, but as I was trying to say, it's got this nice champagne rose gold color, a nice bronze, and then like a cooler bronze. They're all really shimmery. And I haven't had a chance to use this yet, like I said, but I'll swatch it. Ooh, these are so soft. Like soft to the point where you might have to be careful putting your brush in them. They are really pigmented though, I like that. And the pink champagne color is just so beautiful. I might use that like in a coming up video. Then I just got some basic twist up eyeliner pencils. These are also from LA Colors. I got a black brown, and a navy. The black isn't super black, but it is creamy, so it would probably be good as a base or something like that. Okay, it kind of ran into the black, but the black brown is very dark. It's very cool brown. The navy is also really dark, like to the point where you can't really tell it's navy, which is a little unfortunate. It kind of just looks like a dark gunmetal color. And the first two, the formula seemed the same, but this navy one feels a little bit drier. And if I didn't say, these are called the LA Colors Auto Eyeliners. Then I picked up some brushes. They had some from e.l.f. and some from Wet n Wild. I got one from e.l.f. It is the flat eyeliner brush. I just wanted to show you the packaging real quick. I think this is from their studio brush line. I think that's what they call the ones with the black handles and the black ferrules. And it is just what it sounds like. It has a flat top, very skinny the other way. It would be good for like smudgy eyeliner. I don't know about gel. It's a little thick for that, but it's nice and firm, so you could do very easily smudging, like I said. I don't know what I'm doing. And then I picked up 3 of the Wet n Wild brushes. They're all in this basic packaging, very similar to the e.l.f., so I'll just show you the first one in the packaging and then I'll take them out. This one is the large eyeshadow brush. They have a nice white handle, white ferrule, and then white fading to pink bristles. I'm not really sure what this is for, if it's supposed to be an indent for your hand, but it doesn't really seem like the right shape. The brush is soft. It feels like synthetic hairs, like I'm assuming it's synthetic. This actually reminds me of an old brush that Rite Aid used to make. It's called the Rite Aid Renewal eyeshadow brush, I think. Some kind of eyeshadow brush. And it was like black faded to white, and I love it for concealer. I have like 3 of them, but then Rite Aid stopped making them. So I'm hoping this one will be similar. Then we have the large concealer brush. It is a little bit wider and a lot flatter than the eyeshadow brush. I was thinking this brush would probably be good for like eyeshadow bases or like large areas of concealer like it says, because it's kind of flexible at the tip and then it's flat, but it is soft. So I feel like it would be good for like cream products. This last one is the contour brush, and to be honest, I don't really know how much I'm gonna like this, just based on what it looks like out of the packaging. It's the right cut this direction, but if you look at it from this angle, it is like very skinny. So I'll try it out and we'll see if it works, but if it doesn't, it might become like an under eye powder brush. Then I'm thinking of redoing my makeup area. Like, not thinking of, I'm starting to try to do it. So I picked up a couple containers that I might use. One is just this clear acrylic, like tiered container. It's a little bigger than a lipstick container. I don't really know what I'm going to use it for yet, but it was a size that'll fit in my drawers. And my drawers are like weirdly small because I use a vintage vanity. And I don't think this had a box. I think it just had some plastic wrap around it, and I did cut that off before I took pictures and started filming. The other one is a heart-shaped organizer. Again, I don't really know what I'm going to use it for, but this one did come in a box. These sections are actually even bigger than the other ones, so I don't think it's a lipstick container. But the whole thing is a giant heart, and then there's a small heart here and a slightly bigger one here. I thought it was cute. Okay, and we are almost done. I picked up 2 hair things. I picked up some hair twisters, is what they're calling them. They're basically scrunchies, and I got them in these nude natural colors. I'm thinking these will be good to put my hair up when I'm going to sleep, because I usually use this one, which is like one of those fabric hair ties, but it sometimes pulls on my hair too much and my scalp starts hurting, so these seem like they'll be looser on my hair. Then I picked up one hair care item. It is the very last thing in the haul. It's coconut oil from Via Natural and the Ultra Care line they have, I'm assuming. This is just like a leave-in hair oil. It's not the exact texture at all of what coconut oil is if you buy it from like the grocery store. This is a straight liquid. But I'm willing to try it out. Again, it was only $1. And it says you can use it on hair, scalp, and body. And it moisturizes skin, cuticles, and nails. That's it. I really hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please leave me a comment or a like. And if there are any videos you want to see me do in the future, including ones about products from this video, just let me know in a comment down below. And don't forget to check out my social media accounts. They're always listed at the end of my videos, but I thought I would just say them real quick. My Instagram and my Twitter are both at HazelTailXO, and then I have 2 different Tumblr accounts. I have my personal one, which is just hazeltail.tumblr.com, and then I have one that's specifically related to this channel, which is hazeltailofficial.tumblr.com. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon, hopefully. Bye!